Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 8b. So let's start. So 8b question number 3, Roman 2 is given here, log 8 base 10 plus log 25 base 10 plus 2 log 3 base 10 minus log 18 base 10. So here asking you evaluate each of the following without using table. So you have to find out the value of this. So what to do? Look, addition of logarithm means that will be multiplication happen, and remember one thing, the base should be same there. Say 8 into 25 happen. So we are using this formula. We know that log a plus log b, it will be nothing but log a into b. Base should be same here. Base is not given, that means assume the base is 10 given here. Now these two go to here, the square of 3 happen, and here is given log 18 base 10. Now if you multiply 25 and 8, you will get here 200, and here it will be 3 to the 9 happen minus logarithm 18 base 10. Now addition of logarithm, it will be again multiplication happen. So it will be 200 into 9 happen minus log 18, and subtraction of logarithm, that will be division happen. So it will be 200 into 9 by 18. So cancel out the number, 9 to the 18, and 200 ja 200, and that will be log 100 happen. Now you can write here 100 you can write here 10 square, and these two come to front of this log, so that will be 2 log 10 base 10 happen, and we know that log a base a, it will be 1 happen. Now base and this number should be same happen. So base is given here 10, and this number is also given here 10. So 10 base 10 log 10 base 10, it will be 1 happen. So 2 into 1, it will be 2 happen. Now go to next problem. So question number 5. So question number 5 is given here, x minus log 48 plus 3 log 2 is equal to 1/3 log 125 minus log 3. From here you have to find out the value of x. Now look, so x minus, if you take common minus from here, it will be log 48, and these 3 and this minus will be plus will be minus happen, and these 3 go to up of these 2, that will be 2 cube happen. So logarithm 2 cube is equal to log this 1/3 go to up of this 125, that will be 125 whole to the power 1 by 3 happen minus log 3. So this will be x minus log subtraction of logarithm, that will be division happen 48 by 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 is equal to log the LCM of 125, that will be 5 cube, sub 5 cube whole to the power 1 by 3 minus log 3, and you know that x to the power m whole to the power n, it means x to the power mn. You can use here this formula 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3, so that will be 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3, so 3 will be cancelled out. So now you can write here x minus log 6 8 ja 48, so that will be this will be 6 happen, and here you can use this formula x to the power m whole to the power n, that will be x to the power mn, you have to multiply 3 into 1 by 3. So if you multiply 3 into 1 by 3, this will be nothing but 1 happens. So 5 to the power 1 means 5 minus log 3. Now x minus log 6 is equal to, so this is subtraction given, so that will be division happen 5 by 3, and if this log 6 go to that side, this will be plus happen, so log 5 by 3 plus log 6, and addition of logarithm into that will be multiplication happen. So this is 5 to the 10, and base is not given here, so suppose assume base as a 10, so log 10 base 10, it will be 1 happen. Now this is our answer. Now go to next type of problems. Question number 7. Question number 7, Roman 4. So question number 7, Roman 4 is given here log x plus 5 plus log x minus 5 is equal to 4 log 2 plus 2 log 3. So we know that addition of logarithm, that will be multiplication happen. So log x plus 5 into x minus 5 happen, and these 4 go to the power of these 2, that will be log 2 to the power 4, and again these 2 go to the power of 3, so that will be log 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 happen. Now you can use here a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b, a minus b. So this is x square minus 5 square, 5 square means 25, and 2 to the power 4 means 2 multiply 4 times, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 happen, plus 3 square means 3 3 ja 9. Now that will be log x square minus 25 is equal to addition of logarithm, that will be multiplication happen. So 16 into 9, 144. So you know one formula, that is log a is equal to log b. This implies A is equal to B. So you can use here this formula. So log x square minus 25 is equal to log 144. So that will be x square minus 25 is equal to 144 happen. So if this 25 go to that side, this will be addition happen. So 144 plus 25. So this is 169 happen. So the root over of 169, this will be nothing but plus minus 13 happen. So in this way you can solve up to question number 7. Thank you everyone.